Hello everyone, today we are going to solve class 10th maths chapter 3 pair of linear equations in two variables. So let's see the question. Formulate the following problem as a pair of equations and hence find their solution. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. So before solving it, first understand the concept. So here is the boat and she wants to go from A to B. So the direction of the boat is from A to B. And here in the downstream, the direction of the current is also like this. So here the speed of the boat will be the speed of the boat plus the speed of the current. So while returning from B to A like this, B to A, this is the speed of the boat, direction of the boat, and the direction of the current is here like this. So here the speed of the boat will decrease. So in this case, I can say that the speed of the boat will be speed of the boat minus speed of the current. So this is the concept we are using in this question. So first learn it well and then solve. I am going to solve this. Let her speed of rowing in still water be x kilometer per hour and the speed of the current be y kilometer per hour. Here they asked the speed of her speed of rowing in still water, right? So I have assigned this speed as x and the speed of the current, this speed as y. Okay. So now I have to write the speed of the boat in downstream and the speed of the boat in upstream. Let speed of the boat in downstream is equal to first normal speed of the boat in still water is x and the speed of the current, that is y. This will be my speed in downstream. Next, speed of the boat in upstream. Upstream means the boat is going against the current. So the speed is going to decrease. How much? The speed, how much? By speed of the current. So I'll write x minus y, kilometer per hour. Now to solve this type of question, I will use this formula. Time is equal to distance by speed. Look at the question. Let me check all the unit is correct or not. So here the distance is in kilometer, here also in kilometer, then okay, it's fine. And here the time is in hours and this is also in hours. If the time is in minutes or second, you have to change the time in hours. So this is what you have to do here, but in this problem there is no problem. We can directly solve this question. Case 1. This is case 1 and this is case 2. In case 1, she has covered 20 km in 2 hours, right? So our formula is time is equal to, I'll write one more time, time is equal to distance by speed, right? So time is 2 hours. So I'm going to write 2 here. Then look here, equal to the distance. What's the distance? It's 20 km. So I'll write simply 20. And the speed, here in case 1, it is downstream. And for downstream, speed is x plus y. That is the speed of the boat in still water and the speed of the current. Like this. Now I am going to multiply these two numbers. 2 into x plus y is equal to 1 into 20, which implies x plus y is equal to 20 by, these 2 will come here, 2 1 ja 2, 2 10 ja, which implies x plus y is equal to 10. This is my equation 1. So I have framed first equation. Now I am going to solve for the case 2. This is my case 2. I'll write here case 2. Again I am going to write the formula, time equal to distance by time, by speed, sorry. Okay, here the time is same thing, 2 hours is equal to distance is 4 km. By speed will be x minus y, because this is the case of upstream. Upstream means the speed is reduced. By how much? By the speed of the current. So I have written x minus y like this. So I'll write 1 here because this is in fraction and this is integer. So I will change this number to fraction like this. Now I'm going to solve this, which implies 2 into x minus y is equal to 1 into 4, which implies x minus y is equal to 1 4s are 4 and these 2 will come here, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, right? Like this. So x minus y is equal to 2. This is my second equation. So I have framed second equation also. Now I am going to solve these two equations. Now after solving these two equations, I will get the value of x and y. Let's see. So my equations are x plus y is equal to 10. This is my first equation, and x minus y is equal to 2. So for solving these two equations, we can choose either substitution method or elimination method. But here I will choose elimination method because look here, plus y and here minus y. Directly I can solve this question. So I choose elimination method. So this is cancelled, and x plus x is 2x is equal to 10 plus 2 is 12, which implies x equal to 12 by 2, which implies x is equal to 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja. So now I am going to substitute the value of x in equation 1. Put x is equal to 6 in equation 1. You can substitute in any of the equation, 1 or 2. First I will write the question. So here the value of x is 6 and y I have to find which implies y is equal to 10 as it is, and this plus 6 will go there. This plus 6 will go there and become minus 6, which implies y is equal to, here the number is 10 minus 6, so it is without symbol, so I'll write plus here. So different sign, for different sign I am going to subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. So 10 minus 6 is 4, and the symbol of the bigger number 10 is plus. So I'll write plus here. So my answer is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. And I'll write the answer like this. Therefore, her speed of rowing in still water is 6 km per hour, and the speed of the current is 4 km per hour. This is our answer, but before finishing it, you have to verify. So for verification, I'll write like this, verification. Put x is equal to 6, y is equal to 4 in equation 1 and 2. I'll draw line like this. My first equation is x plus y is equal to 10. Second equation is x minus y is equal to 2. I'm going to assign. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, which implies 10 is equal to 10. So both are same. Your answer is correct. Here, which implies 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, which implies 2 is equal to 2. So this is also correct. So finally I'll write, hence the solution is correct. That's all. Thank you for watching my channel. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.